Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charge. Today I'm going to do a review over the Silicone Kitchen Silicone Roasting Rack Pan. They are dishwasher safe. It comes in a 2-pack. I used them to cook some chicken wings on last night. And I got to be honest with you, I'm a chicken wing fan, a chicken wing nut, and this was really cool. It was different. It was able to keep the wings off the glass so they didn't burn and stick to it, and the juices dripped down, so it allowed them to get a little bit extra crispy. I seasoned them. I put the oven on around 400 degrees. It says it's rated up to 500 degrees. I don't want to test that limit, so if I use these again, I'm going to keep around 450. I don't see any reason to go higher. But man, as you can see, they're coming out great. I cooked them for about 45 minutes, and I was really impressed with this. Tonight, I'm going to try some fish that we caught, put a whole fish on there, and see how that goes, because a lot of times when I cook fish, it just sticks to the pan, and I think with this elevated and keeping it up, it'll help it. So there's the afterwards. I put it in the dishwasher, and I was really impressed with it. It came out clean. As you can see right here, just looks great, worked great. I think you're going to love it just as much as our family did and I did. Thank you.